Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Lucky Learning Info. In this video, we are going to know some of the instant energy drinks and foods that gives energy when we feel tired or fatigued. There are many reasons to feel tired during the day due to heavy work, stress, overweight, depression, lack of sleep, irregular diet, diabetes, etc. To get instant energy in few minutes, here are some drinks we are going to see now. First one, water. Dehydration is one of the reasons to feel tired. Even though water does not provide energy in the form of calories, it helps facilitate the energetic process in the body, which is an energy boost in itself. So, drink a glass of water to feel better. Drinking more water is good for our health. Second one, lemon water. Take one lemon, cut it into two halves, squeeze the juice and mix it in a glass of water and then drink it. Due to presence of vitamin C and potassium, it helps in providing you with energy and makes you refreshed. Third one, buttermilk. Buttermilk is rich in vitamin B2 and protein, and hence it is one of the best natural energy boosters. Whenever you feel weak, just drink a glass of buttermilk and it will provide you with the needed energy. Fourth one, coconut water. Coconut water is one of the best natural drinks that helps in providing the needed energy. It is one of the best known natural electrolytes. Drinking a glass of coconut water every day helps in keeping you energized. Fifth one, honey water. Take a glass of warm water and mix 2 tablespoons of honey in it and mix it well and drink that honey water. The glucose present in honey is absorbed by the body quickly, giving you immediate energy. Sixth one, banana smoothie. Take one banana, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all these and make thicker smoothie and drink it. Due to presence of vitamins, minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, helps reduce tiredness and gives energy. Seventh one, finger millet or ragi drink. Take a glass of water, boil until bubbles appears. Now add a tablespoon of ragi powder in it and boil for another 5 minutes. For more taste, add salt and lemon and have it. Due to high in calories and carbohydrates, it gives instant energy. Eighth one, carrot juice. Take 2 carrots and cut into small pieces and grind it well by adding required water. For good taste, add lemon and ginger to it and have the drink. Carrots are rich in vitamins, proteins and minerals, which helps increase the energy levels. Carrot juice cleans the system and fights fatigue. Ninth one, milkshake. Take a glass of milk and 5 to 6 cashews and almonds and add the required amount of sugar to it. Now grind all those to make a thick liquid and have it. Due to presence of nutrients like proteins, vitamin A, B1, B2, B12 and potassium, it gives us instant energy. 10th one, green tea. Boil the drinking water for some time and let it cool for 3 minutes. Keep the green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes in it and remove the bag and have the tea. Because of L-theanine and the small dose of caffeine, it gives us instant energy. Now let us see some solid foods. First one, yogurt. Yogurt is made up of simple sugars like lactose and galactose, which when broken down provides immediate energy. Second one, eggs. Eggs are a superfood. Amino acids present in eggs is leucine, which stimulates energy production by breaking down fat to produce energy. Third one, apples. Apples contain high fiber and sugars, giving sustainable energy. Fourth one, strawberries. Strawberries are another good energy boosting fruit. Fifth one, popcorn. Due to high in carbs and fiber, it is a good energy boosting snack. Sixth one, nuts. Nuts can be a great snack packed with nutrients to promote energy. Most nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are known for their high calories and proteins. And next one, brown rice. And the last one, oatmeal. If you feel tired, take any of these and get instant energy. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do share and like. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.